Dearest brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and today we're going to be making a very special salad that exemplifies the aliveness and the streaming flow of life energy in these midsummer days. So let's rejoice with life energy by way of starting with some beautiful broccoli heads, alive and organic, but of course, and we'll put these into our salad bowl. So we have broccoli, and then we're going to put some diced apples. We'll add diced apples also. And now the California tomatoes have just appeared. Isn't this glorious? So let's go ahead. Look at the exemplary colors and hues ranging from orange to red, a veritable rainbow. And next, how about some cucumbers? And how about some slices of red onion? And now let's give this a toss, if you will. Look at the magnificent colors. And now for the dressing. And we'll begin with maybe a cup and a half of spring water. And now, but of course, as we've done so many times before, a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter. And now, as you've seen, it has flashed into almond milk. The problem with almond milk is that it's too easy to make in the privacy of your home kitchen. Let's add some chia seeds to help thicken things up and for wonderment and nutrition. Nothing like chia seeds, a food of the Native Americans, by the way. They would bring chia seeds along with them when they were traversing tracts of desert. So we have our chia seeds. And now, what about our walnut butter? How about a heaping tablespoon of our living tree walnut butter? And now our cashew butter. So there, and what about a bit of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt? Let's give it a dash of salt. And of course, we've got to add a bit of lemon. But we're not done. We have medjool date pieces. They've been pitted and coated with coconut flakes. So let's add some medjool dates. Now let us dress our magnificent salad. And here we have it, our tribute to the wonders and the glories of summer, our privilege to be here in this California and to welcome the ripening of the fruits. It is a marvel to see the peaches, the apricots, the nectarines, all coming on. It is such a privilege to be here. And to close on a much more serious note, the doomsday clock is ticking, according to the Bulletin of Atomic Scientists. So we all have to exemplify life and vivacity and life forces in everything we do. So let us begin by one of the easiest things, and that is to exemplify aliveness in the food that we eat. My privilege, brothers and sisters, to share with you on this beautiful sunny day here in Berkeley. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below and even perhaps give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and critiques are treasured by us. Let us go forward. My privilege to share.